Welcome to the instructional video on how to begin an online marriage application. This is the online part of the application. Please be aware that you will have to complete the application by visiting the courthouse here in Cumberland County to provide the necessary documentation, sign your application, and pay the required fee for a marriage license. You will begin the online marriage application on this website. The address for the site is www.ccpa.net/MLAPP. Once you're on this site, you want to review the information. You want to be sure to take a look at the guidelines for applying for a marriage license. If you need directions to the courthouse, you can check this link. You can also print out directions on how to complete the online application, or if you would like to review the video again, you can use this link here. Once you've reviewed that information, you want to click the Begin Online Application icon here at the bottom of this page. On this website, you are given more information about getting married in Pennsylvania. After you've reviewed the information, you have the option to accept and move on to the marriage application, or you can decline and return to the website that you were just on. This is the beginning page for the online marriage application. Once you're ready to begin, you simply click Enter. On this site, you are given the opportunity to either create a new marriage application, or if you've already been through the process and you need to just correct or add additional information, you can choose to modify an existing marriage application. In this case, we're going to file a new marriage application. On this website, you will be assigned an application number, and you will enter a password, and you'll be asked to retype your password. After you've entered both of those, you want to use the Enter button here on the left side of the screen. Before you press that, though, you want to make sure that you've written down the application number and your password. You'll use this if you need to return to the application to add additional information or correct information that you entered previously. The first information that you will be entering is about the groom. After you've entered that information, you'll click the Next button. This is the second page of information concerning the groom. Answer these questions, and when you're finished with that, you will click the Next button. This is the first page of information on the bride. You will answer the same questions that you did for the groom, and after they are supplied, you want to click the Next button. This is the second page of information on the bride. Once you've completed these questions, again, you press the Next. On this page, you will decide what you would like to do with your application. If all the information is complete and you're ready to submit, you will choose this button, and your information will be forwarded to the Register of Wills office. If you realize you need additional information, you choose the Hold to Modify the Information button. This will allow you to use your application number and password to return to the application to modify the information that you've already provided. Or if you would like to begin this application at another time, you simply choose Exit without saving the information. In this case, we're going to submit the application as complete. This is your marriage application confirmation page. You want to be sure to print that page. You will need to bring it with you to the courthouse. Please be advised, within 60 days of applying online, you should appear before the Register of Wills Clerk of Orphans Court to complete the marriage application process. Be sure to bring with you the printed confirmation page, the $50 fee, which should be paid in cash, your identification, And if you were previously married, proof that your last marriage ended. You can prove this by either showing us the original or a certified copy of your divorce decree. If your decree does not match your photo identification, you should also bring legal proof that you resumed a prior name. If your last marriage ended with the death of your spouse, we will need to see their death certificate. If you have any questions or concerns, please call the office at 717-240-6345 or 1-888-697-0371, extension 6345.